In this video, we are going to learn how to create an IAM user and add different permissions to it. First, go to your AWS Management Console, then search for IAM. Here in the users section, uh, click on it. I already have 3 users. Let's add another user. Provide a name to the user. Let's call it test user. And then here we have two different access types. One is programmatic access and one is AWS Management Console access. You can provide either of the tools or both. For now, I'm going to give it programmatic access only. Next, go for permissions. I do not want to add this user to any group, so go next. And from here I'm going to attach policies. So let's suppose I need to give this user S3 permission, so I'll search for S3. So here I have Amazon S3 full access. Click on this one. Similarly, if you need another permission such as RDS or something, you can search for it and then you can provide the permission here. For now, I am going to give only S3 permission. Then go next. No need to provide any tags. Click on review and then create user. Now here you have your access key ID and your secret key ID, but this is for one time only, so make sure you're downloading this CSV file for your future reference. Now this can be used in any for any programmatic access.